wish I had
You all have moms. Your mom loves you. George's mom loved him. And my kids love me and I want to go home to them. But they agree that this is important. And it's not about some white ladies. It's not about me. It's about Black Lives Matter. There's so many amazing black women who've been doing this fight for years and I showed up late. I'm so tardy to this party. But I'm making up for it because I'm so angry. So angry. And black people are allowed to be angry, and who cares if somebody graffitis on this stupid building? We're talking about human lives.